So today wasn't the greatest days in the market. Pretty much everything was down except for the few stocks that were got a boost on the interest rate lowering news. Basically the inflation news that the inflation dropped. It was a little bit lower, like 1%, I think it was, and so inflation is improving. So a lot of the companies that were really big on dependent on inflation being lower got a boost today, and the ones that really don't care so much, they're more technical driven, like the AI companies like Nvidia and a lot of tech stocks took a drop today. So it's kind of weird, but they're all like, you see a lot of these clickbait news, they're saying things, oh, things are gonna plunge this much and that much, but I think it's just daily noise. It's just a one-time noise of the day. So yeah, I wouldn't rely too much into it. So the stocks that I'm still looking into right now, it was good news today with Palantir. It dropped a little bit, like 70 cents or something like that, but that's no big deal. But I think it's all these stocks that really wouldn't worry about the Nvidia and Tesla and all their. I bought some more Nvidia today, and I'm just dollar cost averaging in the rest of them. But it's a bunch of crap that it's just the clickbait. They want you to think things are going to crash and they're not. It's really the opposite time you should be buying. And then it's really good news that they're going to inflation drop somewhat, so the the market down the road I think is really going to pick up. And yeah, the ones that you want to be in aren't the standard brick and mortar companies that are around. All these frogs going off because they're rain, but I think you still want to be in tech and AI because it's all in its infancy. So this this video was more about today, but it's more about Palantir that I think it's so undervalued right now compared to the rest of them that are getting into AI. It's really a steal here still. So Palantir. So there really wasn't much news today on Palantir or anything like that. It's just in general the tech stocks dropped because of the inflation and interest rates. I don't know, it kind of reverse psychology. Things dropped on that when it should be the other way around. But I think the ones that are really need the most out of the interest rate drop are the ones that don't have a lot of growth in their portfolio. They're really dependent on those loans and all that dropping. They're not like the video and Tesla and all those other high flyer stocks that they have so much growth. It's just it's not a big deal as far as interest rates go, but it does hurt everything else as far as whoever's in tech jobs. You know, we're all hoping for the interest rate to drop, at least to recover that part of the sector. But yeah, this is a quick video on the market. I really liked what Palantir did today, even though it was a down day. Everything else is pretty much a down day. But I'm just keep buying into Palantir, and of course the rest of them, the AI companies, and seeing where it goes. But yeah, a lot of one point of this video, just avoid the clickbait and all the naysayers that just think that the market's gonna drop. Those are the ones that are just sitting in cash for the last year and a half, hoping for it to drop, and it didn't happen. So now they got to push harder to. They got to have a reason why they're still sitting in cash, doing nothing. There was, I think there was one broker that was recently fired, or from JP Morgan that he was just sitting in cash all the time, and finally Jamie Dimon got rid of him. And yeah, you gotta make your money there, else you're out. I don't work in that business, but I can tell from that there's only a window you have to make that kind of money. You gotta really prove that you can do it. But yeah, quick video on that Palantir, and I think it's kind of a joke that everybody's talking about things are going down when they're not. They're just, those are the people that are in cash, sitting in cash forever and waiting for it to happen. So screw that noise. And I think, yeah, today I focus on Palantir, and of course just buy it in Nvidia and just staying strong there. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.